Volkswagen Experiences are back. But this time around things are different because last year we drove a bunch of Volkswagens to the rooftop of the world, and this time we are part of the team that's setting a new national record with the all-new Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. The Tiguan R-Line is Volkswagen's flagship SUV for India and is the Tiguan's sportiest, grandest and most premium version yet. The design language is all new, interiors are a lot more premium and the performance and dynamics are a lot better than before too. And to celebrate the Tiguan R-Line's arrival in India, we teamed up with Volkswagen to set a new national record that saw a bunch of journalists drive the SUV from Mumbai to Delhi. And as part of this record-setting drive, we are driving the new Tiguan R-Line from the city of Baroda in Gujarat to Udaipur in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is home to some of India's best driving roads, some excellent highways and some brilliant country roads too. And driving a premium SUV that's as sporty as the Tiguan R-Line with Volkswagen's refined and powerful 2-litre TSI engine under its hood, along with the famed dynamic chassis control to enhance its handling in the state is no less than a tick on the bucket list. This is the all-new third generation version of the Tiguan, and this time Volkswagen is bringing in the R-Line version, which is the sportiest avatar of the Tiguan yet and is inspired by Volkswagen's high-performance R models. So the all-new design language in conjunction with the R-Line specific design bits ensure the Tiguan looks very classy and very sporty as well. The headlamps deserve a special mention for their sleek design and the inclusion of Volkswagen's IQ Light HD matrix lighting system that can deploy up to 38,400 multi-pixel LEDs for optimum illumination. The new grille also looks very sleek and incorporates the letter R, hinting at the SUV's sportier genes, while the front bumper is an appealing looking mesh finished in gloss black. The Tiguan R-Line also looks sportier from the sides thanks to its curvier silhouette, while the rear end boasts an all-new design with striking looking tail lamps connected by an LED strip. The record being attempted is for the fastest drive from the gateway of India in Mumbai to the India Gate in Delhi in a convoy, and that's why we have not one, not two, not even four, but 6 Tiguan R-Lines with us. And we at Turbocharged are driving on what is the third leg of this drive, which starts from the Lakshmi Vilas Palace in Baroda and ends at the Monsoon Palace in Udaipur. The idea was to visit some of the most iconic landmarks along the way, and that's why our leg started from the Lakshmi Vilas Palace in Baroda and was to end at the Monsoon Palace in Udaipur. In case you didn't know, the Lakshmi Vilas Palace is the largest private residence in the world and is 4 times the size of the Buckingham Palace. It blends Indian, Islamic and European styles of architecture, and besides the vastness, it is the striking architecture of the palace that is spellbinding. On the other hand, Udaipur's Monsoon Palace sits perched atop a hill just outside the city and is known for the stunning views it offers of the city and also the Aravalli hills it is surrounded by. And the fact that the Tiguan R-Line is the grandest, sportiest and most tech-laden avatar of this premium SUV yet is making this drive even more special. The 2-litre TSI engine powering the Tiguan R-Line offers an even higher 204 PS and 320 Nm now, sent to all 4 wheels via Volkswagen's famed 4-motion all-wheel drive system. And with this kind of performance, the swift responses from the 7-speed DSG and also the SUV's sporty handling, be it around corners or on the highways, the Tiguan R-Line was adding to the sense of occasion as we bolted from one royal palace to another. As a premium SUV, the Tiguan has always impressed with its excellent engine performance and refinement, and also the really impressive handling and overall dynamics. But what matters even more on a long drive like the one that we are on right now is the cabin of a vehicle. And in this case, the Tiguan R-Line's cabin is the most modern looking and the plushest cabin that we've seen on a Volkswagen yet.
That's because the Tiguan R-Line feels plush, spacious and very upmarket thanks to its excellent interior design. The sunroof is a massive panoramic one that adds to the cabin's sense of roominess, while the seats are spacious, rich looking and very comfortable whether you're sitting at the front or relaxing at the back.
A big highlight about the cabin is this new dashboard design, which is also a lot more upright. So while these gloss plastic panels, which also integrate ambient lighting, actually not just on the dashboard but in the doors as well, along with these soft touch leather surfaces, make for a very premium feel for the Tiguan R-Line from inside. But along with that, you also have to notice how this upright design, the upright positioning of the instrument cluster display and the upright positioning of this infotainment screen make for a very racy feel, especially in conjunction with the steering wheel, which has a flat bottom, and you also have a pair of paddle shifters behind it.
The dashboard integrates cool looking ambient lighting which also extends into the door panels. And it's the design of the ambient lighting that makes it look very cool and very unique. There's also a long list of customization options for the lighting, including 30 color options and multiple combinations which add to its likable feel. You also get 3-zone climate control, which adds to convenience for rear seat occupants as well.
And like I mentioned before, the Tiguan R-Line here is the techiest version of the Tiguan that we've seen till date. I'm talking stuff like this massive 15-inch touchscreen here, a 10.25-inch display for the Digital Cockpit Pro, and a head-up display as well. But most importantly, this massive touchscreen packs in so much technology and so many functions, you could spend hours and hours just exploring it.
The Digital Cockpit Pro offers multiple customization options, allowing you to tailor the information you want to see thanks to Volkswagen's latest 4th generation modular infotainment system. And this freedom to customize everything on the technology front is an even bigger joy on the 15-inch infotainment screen. There's tons of options and formats to choose from and multiple pages to swipe between. You can also choose to view crucial information about the SUV on the screen, like the steering angle, tire pressures and more, even on the go. The 15-inch screen is also a big help in terms of letting you view navigation and maps easily while driving, besides which, you can of course choose to view navigation commands on the Digital Cockpit Pro or the head-up display. Another cool feature is that you get not one but 2 wireless charging pads, which are hidden smartly and very neatly under a storage flap. This is besides the multiple fast charging Type-C USB ports you have at the front and the rear. The Tiguan R-Line is also equipped with stuff like a built-in IDA voice assistant that's very interactive and quick to respond to commands, besides a voice enhancer that amplifies and plays the driver's voice through the speakers to help rear passengers listen to the driver better. These are besides the high-end music system on board, equipped with as many as 8 speakers.
You also get these R-Line specific seats, which look very sporty, but they're very comfortable, especially on a long day behind the wheel like mine today. Oh, and the front seats also get a massage function, and that makes them even more effective at a long drive, and especially when it's a long drive like the one that we are on from Mumbai to Delhi.
With so much on offer in terms of technology and comfort, the Tiguan R-Line was helping us munch miles effortlessly. And the roads only got better in Rajasthan, allowing us to enjoy our time behind the wheel even more, while also enjoying the SUV's comfort very well, especially the sporty yet supportive and comfortable R-Line seats, which also get a massage function, a feature you've probably seen only on high-end luxury SUVs previously.
The icing on the cake though is the Tiguan R-Line's dynamic chassis control, which includes adaptive suspension, and this adaptive suspension helps the vehicle adapt to the road conditions that you're driving on, and thereby it helps in reducing body roll around corners or helps it soak up undulations better.
Dynamic chassis control was helping me make the most of Rajasthan's roads, as the suspension was adapting to road conditions easily and thus offering excellent comfort at all times. I was also thus able to make the most of the Tiguan R-Line's sporty handling, as it was holding lines around corners very well and offering lots of confidence, thus adding to the joy of driving enthusiastically. And when we made it to Udaipur, just before the sun was about to go down, it did not really feel like we had been driving all day long thanks to the SUV's excellent comfort.
And we are here in Udaipur after what has been a long but very interesting day behind the wheel of the Tiguan R-Line. We may not be doing the full drive from Mumbai to Delhi, but legacy that we were a part of from Baroda in Gujarat to Udaipur in Rajasthan has been a very engaging one because we always like coming to Rajasthan. It's the state that has some of the best driving roads in the country. And on the same note, we've always liked the Tiguan for its excellent engine performance and overall engine refinement, its mile-munching abilities and the dynamics and the sporty handling. And today has been a revelation in terms of the fact that the Tiguan R-Line suddenly just feels so much better than the Tiguan that we've always known and liked. This is a far more wholesome package, packs in a lot more technology than ever before, handles really well, goes so nicely around corners, offering a very car-like feel. And this has just been a day that has been so good for me as a petrol head, as an enthusiast and somebody who likes driving.